Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will get learn how to install Typescript compiler and how to run a Typescript program on Visual Studio Code. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. Open a new terminal and verify that you have installed npm and node.js on your system with this command. Okay. Now install Typescript compiler on your system with this command with sudo privilege sudo npm install Typescript. Okay. Now hit enter password. Typescript installed successfully. Okay. Now create a directory to store Typescript program. Okay. Now open this directory on Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now create a new file. Name it hello world.ts. TS for Typescript. This is the extension of Typescript. Okay. Now create a simple program using Typescript programming that will print a message hello world on console. Okay. Now run this Typescript program. At first, compile this program with transcompiler tsc and then Typescript program file name with extension. This command will generate a JavaScript file. Okay. Now run this JavaScript program using Node. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.